Hello and welcome to our gentle travel channel. Thank you for joining us today. This is a place for calm stories about places and people. Please like, subscribe, and leave a kind comment below. Tell us what you think and what you would like next. Our videos use soft narration and stock clips only for a peaceful feel. We add karaoke-style subtitles so you can follow along easily. Kenya sits in the heart of East Africa. Kenya sits in the heart of East Africa. Its red boundary touches the Indian Ocean to the southeast. Somalia, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania. The country sits on the equator and holds many climates. Kenya covers about 580,000 square kilometers. The land is large and varied. About 55 million people live here now. Big cities, small villages, English, and Swahili are the official languages. Kikuyu, Luo, Kalenjin, Maasai. Nairobi is the capital and a lively city. It is green in places and busy in others. Mombasa sits on the coast with old stone streets. Kisumu rests on Lake Victoria and glows at sunrise. Smaller towns like Nakuru Eldoret work as market hubs. Villages often cluster near water or farms. Many people live on small plots of land. Daily life in villages moves to market days and school bells. Homes vary from urban apartments to mud houses with tin roofs. Cooking often happens over small fires or simple stoves. People fetch water from wells or communal points in some areas. Electricity reach more places now, and running water reach more places now than before. Stock clips show market sellers and children playing. Karaoke subtitles label the scenes gently. We hear soft music under the narration. The flow keeps facts soft and human. The Indian Ocean touches the southeast coast. Warm beaches and coral reefs lie along sandy shores. Mombasa and Lamu hold old ports and dhow boats. Coconut trees sway in steady breezes. Lake Victoria spreads near Kisumu and feeds many lives. The Great Rift Valley cuts a deep line through the land. Mount Kenya rises high and sometimes wears snow. Rivers like the Tana flow through plains and farms. Waterfalls and caves hide quiet beauty. Places like the Aberdare Range offer mist and streams. Caves hold cool air and old stories. Hikers and small groups often find peace here. Waves, cliffs, and river bends. Subtitles name each place as we pass. The images stay respectful and calm. The narration keeps every sentence short, and clear. Kenya is famous for its wildlife and open plains. The Masai Mara holds wide herds and big predators. Amboseli gives clear views of distant Kilimanjaro at dawn. Tsavo keeps large lands and red earth. Birdlife fills lakes, rivers and wetlands. Flamingos color shallow salt pans in bright bands. Elephants move slowly through scrub and trees. Predators hunt with patience and skill. Protected parks and conservancies help wildlife and people. Tourism brings money and jobs to many communities. Rangers work to protect fragile places. Researchers work to protect fragile places. Conservation often links to local culture and land use. Stock clips show migration herds and quiet patrols. Subtitles describe animals softly. We use a few eye-stock aerial shots to show scale. Well, the tone blends wonder with clear facts. Section 6. Economy Farming Daily. Work agriculture is a backbone of life in Kenya. Many families farm small plots for food. Tea, coffee, horticulture, cut flowers. Farms sell produce at local markets and to exporters. Droughts and floods can change yields quickly. Groups teach better seeds and water methods to help farmers. Roads and storage improve incomes when they reach village markets. Cities grow through business, tech, and services. Nairobi hosts startups and larger firms. Tourism brings money to parks and coasts, yet many still live with little access to services. The narration keeps a calm pace. We respect the dignity of work shown on screen. Thank you. Section 7. Culture, Crafts, and Traditions. Kenyan cultures are many and rich. The Maasai are known for red shukas beadwork. Kikuyu, songs, dances, and stories. Luo, songs, dances, and stories. Kalenjin, songs, dances, and stories. Others, songs, dances, and stories. Bead necklaces, carved stools, baskets, woven mats, crafts appear in markets. Crafts reflect daily life and deep meaning. Many families make items to sell and to keep. Crafts pass from parent to child as both skill and story. Religious life blends Christianity, Islam, older belief systems. Rituals mark births, weddings, rites of passage. Music and dance bring people together. Elders often guide families with care and counsel. Subtitles name the crafts and songs softly. We use a few eye-stock close-ups for detail. The mood stays human and respectful. Thanks. Section 8. Food, kitchens, and a simple recipe. Food in Kenya is simple and full of flavor. Ugali is a staple across many homes. It is made from maize flour and water. People eat it with greens, stews, fish, meat. Sukuma wiki is a cooked green like kale. Chapati came through historic trade with India. Pilau, coconut rice. Fresh fish is common near the ocean and Lake Victoria. A simple recipe follows. Boil 2 cups of water in a pot. Slowly add 1 cup of maize flour while stirring. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens into a smooth, stiff dough. Serve hot with a vegetable stew. Serve hot with fish. Subtitles give the recipe steps in karaoke style. We keep the kitchen scene warm and clean. The narration speaks with calm clarity. Enjoy. Section 9. Closing invitation. Farewell. Kenya shows wide landscapes, warm people. It holds coastlines, highlands, lakes, plains. It keeps old stories and new projects. It asks to be seen with respect and care. Thank you for traveling with us in these 10 calm minutes. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Tell us what you loved in the comments below. Ask for another country you want to meet. We hope you feel gentle wonder. We hope you keep curiosity in your heart. We will return with another soft video soon. See you next video. Bye for now.